Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is A Brave Soldier. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing skill, we are going to learn how to complete a given paragraph. Before this, in your English grade 2, you have learned how to complete a story by looking at pictures, replace it with words by given in word bank. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases and sentences. So maybe sentences, phrases and words will be given to you and you'll have to complete a paragraph. This is our today's SL. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah At-Teen, verse 1 till 4. By the fig and the olive and by Mount Sinai and by this secure city, Makkah, we have certainly created man in the best of stature. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us that I have created you the best. And to tell this, Allah has taken oath on fig, olive, Mount Sinai and Mecca. So you see how important it is. Allah has created human being the best. Alhamdulillah. So first of all of you say, thank you Allah. Alhamdulillah for everything you created us the best. Our eyes, our mouth, our face, our body. Everyone is different and everyone is best, right? Second thing, beta, message we are getting from here, whatever you do, it should be best. You should try your level best. Whatever you are doing, whatever you know, you should put it in there, and to improve that, you should learn it, okay? So first you tell me what is a paragraph. Because I have not taught you about paragraph yet. So what do you know about paragraph and what do you know about Pakistan? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students. What is paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences. Okay, so we know what a sentence is. A meaningful set of words is a sentence. So when a group of sentences about a single idea is arranged, it is called a paragraph. In order for a paragraph to be effective, it must begin with a topic sentence. So the first sentence should be its topic sentence. Have sentences that support the main idea. After this first sentence, there will be sentences which will support the main idea of that paragraph and a concluding. At end of the paragraph, we will write a concluding, means we'll write a sentence which will sum up whatever we have said, whatever we have written before that. Do you understand? So this is a paragraph. It starts with a topic sentence, then you keep writing the details, and at the end you write a sentence which conclude with sum up whatever is written. Do you understand? Okay. So let's see what's written in your book. All of you open your page on book on page number 31. Here is a paragraph. Okay. I'm not asking you to write a paragraph because we are just doing it first time. And a word bank has been given to you. First, you will read it and find out which word sets the best to complete a sentence. And all these sentences together makes a paragraph, right? So, the sun is a star, right? I take this word, I have written here, it becomes a sentence complete. It is a ball of very dash gases, hot gases. So I took this word and I put it here. Likewise, beta, you'll keep writing words, keep completing these sentences, and when you'll complete it, it will become a complete paragraph, right? So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now you read it, you'll find it's a complete paragraph. So let's practice it through an activity. A project is there. Draw the picture of your school. Okay, you'll draw a picture of your school on a chart paper. Label each area. What does it mean? Write name of each area and color the picture. Display your chart in the classroom. Okay, so let's see who gonna do this the best. Make a chart with a, areas of your school, means a map of your school. Okay, so pause the video, complete this project, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Everyone did it best. Okay, so here is a time for your homework. Think of your favorite area of school. You just draw a map of your school. So which one is your favorite area? Why is it your favorite? And what activity do you want to do there? Write 3 to 5 sentences. Okay, so this is task for your homework. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned the concept of paragraph, and we completed a simple paragraph by using given words, phrases, and sentences. So we achieved our SLO to complete a simple paragraph using the given words, phrases, and sentences. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah.